Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming admin access and backing up any files linked to the Google account. This prevents data loss. Next, open Chrome, click the profile icon and sign out. Do it now because leaving sessions open can keep the account linked. Once done, go to Windows Settings or Mac OS System Preferences to reach Account and Internet accounts. Make sure to have the Google password handy. It may be required to remove synced data and revoke device access for security reasons. You now remove the account from system-level apps so it no longer syncs. In Accounts, select the Google entry and choose Remove or Disconnect. This unregisters Mail, Calendar, and Contacts. Then open Chrome and clear the profile or disconnect sync to stop bookmarks and password syncing. Also open your OS keychain or Credential Manager and delete saved Google credentials. This prevents automatic sign-in. Make sure to confirm prompts when you accept removal. The system deletes local tokens tied to that account. Finish by checking for leftover browser profiles and removing any that still show the Google account. This clears cookies and local sync data. If the device still appears linked, sign into your Google account on another device, go to Security, and revoke this computer's access. This forces token invalidation. Restart your machine, open the browser, and confirm no Google services auto-sign you in. If something goes wrong, clear cache, repeat credential removal, and verify you used an admin account to delete system entries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.